Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can find your hidden files and hidden photos and videos in Google Photos. So let's get right into it. As far as I'm aware, the only way that you can hide photos and videos in Google Photos is using the locked folder, and it is very easily accessible on all platforms. Now, on mobile, it is a bit different than on the PC. However, it is pretty much the same principle. To find it on your PC, all you need to do is just go into the Google Photos site on your web browser and then just click the locked folder, which should be in the sidebar to the left of your screen. And then once you're there, once you click on the locked folder, it will prompt you to enter your account password. And then once you enter it, you'll be able to see all your hidden files. Now, on Android and iOS, it is a bit different. You need to go into Library Utilities and then into Locked Folder. And the password that it will require is your, phone unlock password. It is either your face, your fingerprint, or a code which you've manually inserted. And once you enter that, it will then allow you to enter the folder. And there you'll see all your hidden files and hidden images, hidden videos, and whatever it is that you've set up there. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.